Accessibility isn't a bonus in adult education, it's a necessity. And with the right technology, we can create learning environments that welcome everyone, no matter their ability, background, or device. Accessibility means ensuring that every learner can participate fully with dignity and independence. It's about removing barriers and building flexibility into the experience. So, how does tech help us do that? First, through inclusive design. That means designing courses and content from the start to be usable by people with a wide range of needs, not retrofitting afterward. Simple changes can make a big impact. Use clear fonts, high color contrast, descriptive alt text for images, keyboard-friendly navigation. Design isn't just about how something looks, it's about how it works, for everyone. Second, assistive technology. This includes screen readers, voice input tools, magnifiers, switch controls, and more. Modern platforms should work seamlessly with these tools. Third, captioning and transcripts. All video and audio content should include accurate captions and full transcripts, not just for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, but also for learners in noisy places, different languages, or visual learners. Fourth, mobile access. Today's learners are on the go. Your content should be fully functional on phones and tablets, not just desktops. Fifth, flexible formats. Some learners prefer to watch, others want to read, listen, or practice hands-on. Offer multiple ways to engage with content and multiple ways to show what they know. Sixth, user control. Let learners adjust text size, speed, layout, or language settings. Empower them to shape the learning experience to fit their needs. Accessibility also means being mindful of cognitive and neurodiverse learners. Break content into clear chunks. Use simple, direct language. Avoid unnecessary distractions or overload. And don't forget the human side. Accessibility includes emotional safety, cultural sensitivity, and creating a space where every learner feels respected and included. So what can you do right now? Audit your course using accessibility checklists or tools like Wave and Axe. Ask real learners for feedback. Keep learning and keep improving. Remember, accessibility isn't a checklist. It's a mindset. It's about making education more human. With the right tech and design, we're not just teaching. We're inviting more people into the learning journey. Because when we make learning work for everyone, we make it better for everyone.